Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, and this time from Vario. And I got in contact with Ivan about this watch a couple of weeks ago, and he was kind enough to send this watch for review. I'll be testing it out for the next couple of weeks and then sending it back to them. So not going to be keeping or anything like that. But yeah, it interested me a lot, so I thought, why not test it out? I always liked the vintage inspired watches from Vario, so I stayed with the same concept. And of course, you get this nice travel pack from Vario. And here we have the vintage 1918 Pilot bronze, brass watch with a cream dial. Get this off. That's nice. That's really nice. So first off, first thing you see is the size. It's a 37 millimeter watch. You have two variants, the 37 and the 40. And this even requires a screwdriver, so I can get this part out, or through this part. Anyways, let me get first through the specifications. Oops, that's the small Lume. Anyways, yeah, here is the 37 millimeters in diameter. Like I said, lug to lug is around 45. Thickness is around 11, and here lug width 18 millimeters. So basically you get a very classical sized pilot's watch that's vintage inspired from the trench watches of the First World War, in a brass case, and a very cool Miyota 8N33. Here I'm trying to get you a nice, get me the sticker off. Take it out of the spoon strap, which is also perfect for the time, let's say. Not so perfect for time. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't remember if the punt strap was also available in World War I. I think they just soldered parts to their pocket watches and just puts like a leather strap like this one on it, like just a long strap, just to tie both lugs, the soldered lugs on both ends. And correct me if I'm wrong, please, in the comment section. But yeah, going back to the watch, you get this cloth and also as well to clean my dirty smudges around the watch. And we get a creamy white enamel dial with an orange lume. That's pretty good as well, C3 lume. Oh, the lume was just working. Anyways, I'll get it working and show you the lume. You have a push-pull crown system. Of course, you have hand winding because of the movement, the Miyota 8N 33 movement. It's a hand wind nickel movement. That's why you have this very matching the brass case. So the brass case looks like a little bit bronzy, dirty gold, let's say, and the nickel, because it's inside, so it's not oxidized, or it's more, let's say, shiny, so it looks like a gold. You have your Miyota written on it. 17 joules, 3 hertz, 50 meters water resistance, sapphire exhibition caseback, anti-reflective coated sapphire domed crystal in the front. As you can see, the lugs are protruding outside of the case. And on the bone strap with the 37 millimeter, that's why I also asked Ivan to lend me the 37 millimeters. And I even had now it's nighttime, I'm still even in the last weeks of testing the Christopher Ward, so it's 5 before 8. So let's move the hands to 5 before 8 and see, oops, and and see how it looks on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. So just for your imagination to visualize it on your wrist. And speaking about visualizing, I always ask people I know if they visualize things verbally or with pictures, because sometimes I do this, sometimes I do that, and sometimes both. So let me know in the comment section, how do you visualize? Because if you try to visualize how it looks on the bund strap, as you can see, that's why if it's a little bit bigger in 40 millimeters, it will be much bigger on the bund strap, and I wouldn't want to wear it. I'm not even going to wear it on the bund strap. Ivan was kind enough to give me this brown strap with it, and this longer one, which I can use as well, and even the bund that I can use with the longer one. So I will definitely take this out. This system of lugs, they have two possibilities. Either the lug has here some kind of screw, like the Panerai system, or a screw in the strap itself. So you just have to unscrew the strap and then take it off, and then get a strap that just clips on, or a strap like the NATO. Yeah, so this is also, they sent with the watch. They always send this minimal packages, because I also really like, because they put the price of the watch to the core of the watch, whatever you need. It's $388. You get the strap options, like I said, the black one, the Bund oiled, I think that's the mocha, and that's the caramel. Yeah, you get also 2-year warranty with the watch. And let me show you the Lume before I leave you. Sorry, I don't know why my other Lume are not here, so maybe I'll just pause and try to make the room dark so you can see the watch better in a lumed area. So this is how it would look like with this C3 Lume, orange Lume, and this white enamel tile. I'll post anyways a short for when it's fully loomed, so it's better to see. So after this bad attempt of loom part, which I'll try to improve in the future, here is the other strap on my 17.1 centimeter wrist, how it will look like. I think because of the protruding lugs, it gives it a bigger look, and the golden colors just, or the brass color just gives it a little, a tad more elegance. And I really like this shifted crown, shifted time. So the idea is when you're using your weapon, you can just look at the time, and with a quick glimpse, you can see very clearly what time it is. That's why this was a trench watch based on the, let's say, pocket watch, but soldered lugs on both directions. So yeah, I think this will be about it, because I don't know, with this strap, might look nice. Let me try it out. The cool idea with this one is that you just have to take it off like that, the clip-on straps, and it's off, and then you just have to basically put the one-piece NATO, which is very supple as well. So let me get the end of it, and here how it will look. Maybe if we put the Bund at the back, it will feel more, let's say, I don't know. You let me know which one did you enjoy the most. Yeah, I think I'll keep it on the other strap, on this one. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and yeah, If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're still watching, also check out Vario watches. They're really cool. They make very nice vintage inspired watches. And the subscription button will be here, and 2 videos on the left and on the right that you might enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.